Hello and welcome back for Module 2 in this JavaScript course. We'll discuss about variables and data types. What is a variable? Variable is a placeholder, a temporary placeholder. Um, think of it a temporary folder, think of it a temporary bucket, and you're basically saying it, hold it for me. So that's a variable. So it can hold a string, can hold an integer, a constant, a float. Float means decimal. So these are all called data types. So the variable is just the name that you assign. You're saying basically hold this for me. And what can it hold? Different types of data type. So what is the data type? Again, it can hold a string, it can hold an integer, it can hold a Boolean, means true or false. So these are what's called data type, and the variable is just the placeholder. You're basically saying, hold this information for me until I use it. So here's an example. So script let, basically you're asking for it, you're declaring the variable name, and equal to means assign it for me. And it's going to be a string. By putting in that quotation, you're saying it's a string. So it will be John. Another one here, constant. So it's going to be a variable type that is a constant. And the variable name, the temporary place that you want to hold it for me, it's called age. And you're saying assign it, and then it's going to be an integer. It's just a number. So this is an example of variable and data type, right? So this is the variable. Name is a variable. Age is a variable. And these are the data types. Here, by putting a string, you're saying it's a string. And by putting like this, you're saying it's an integer. So these are examples. Now let's try to see if we can run them and what happens. Now, if we go back to our Notepad++, and let's just delete this for now, and then let's paste this part right here. If we say let name equals John and so forth, if we just run that and save it and go back and come back here and refresh our screen, nothing happens. Because what we just did is we assigned it. We didn't say what to do with it. If I go to inspect, you will see the code we have written right here. Let me go to that. Again, this is just the code we have written, right? Even if I go to console, all I see is the previous code that we have written in module 1, which was hello console. Now, if we wanted to see this, then we can change what we wanted to see here. Let's just delete what we have here, right? And if I put the first one was name, and then let's say next to it, I put in age. And now let's save this and go back here and refresh it. Now you see that on the console, you see John next to it as well, 30. Okay, because John, I assigned it to it, the name I assigned to be John, age assigned to be 30. And in the console, I said, show this for me. Now they are right next to each other. Now, how can I clean it up? Plus sign means concatenation. I am saying put it next to each other, concatenation, right? Now, if I put a plus sign and I put in just an empty string like this, and then another plus sign, and then just save it. I'm saying give me a space in between them. And if I go back here and refresh it, you see John space 30. You can clean it up here and put a quotation in a string. My name is, right? And put that quotation in, and then do a plus sign. And then here, another one, another quotation. And my age is, then another plus sign, save, come back to the browser, refresh it. You see it shows up. Right, is and John are right next to each other, and is and 30 are right next to each other, which means there's no space here. So you can put extra space here. and extra space here. Now you save that, and let's change the name John to Tariq, and save that. Come back here and refresh it. Now you see my name is Tariq and my age is 30. All right. So this is one way to display it on the console. But how about if we wanted to display it on the screen? So how about if I change instead of console, another one to print it is document.write. Now save this, come back and refresh it. All right, see that right here on the top? My name is Tariq and my age is 30. We just posted it on top. We can move this however we want, but it's not showing up on the console. Now let's move this down on if we wanted it to be. Let's X this out, bring it down to maybe welcome to Beidat restaurant right there, and save that. Come back here, refresh it. You see that? It shows up right there, not in the console because we removed that. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in module 3.